Class 5 EVS Lesson 9 Up You Go thì hi tu na hen ka soi fia thok do na in le khabu in la chuak nga in exercise in textbook pa ngai le in workbook in la chuak nga so da to pa hian note copy tur ka da boka chu ho chu in ring do na ni ka chher lai hian ka soi lai hian mun deun in lo ngai thla nga chuan ka cherang ka soi fia thok do na ni hei hi workbook a page number 45 na khani up you go page number 45 khani ti hian le khabu kha in lo enanga kan cheranga san hele khabu hi he in zula hi Sanjita Arora, a teacher of Kendriya Vidya Laya ina Aziak ania mountaineering camp tlang lo nan zirna chungchang vela Aziak ania chu Brigadier Jian Singa kai shwena nuaya an training na velani hei athil ti hi chu heta hian zirlai bu mi kha sang kha aron ti chuak aron la chuaka apoimo zual tlang pui kha aron la chuak chu a group leader has big responsibilities. Group leader chuan mo phuna lian tak an nei mountaineers should take vitamin C, iron tablets and hot chocolate for strength and to keep themselves warm in the cold. Tlang lon mi te chuan vitamin C te iron te chin tin hot chocolate te kha an tak sa ti chak tur te kho hota tilum tur te khan an mamu ani hatene. In the mountain, to cross a river, a thick rope is tightly fixed. Apex pythons on the both sides of river. Mountaineers tie a sling around the waist. Put the sling on the thick rope. Hey, hey python santia, pex santia, and vaken burda khani lungkara te khan an vakeng burta a heten hi chu akua hian an rola aku an rol kha hei hetiang chi hian hetiang hian an va ba tanga heta hian hrui an va rol le ta he hrui zen lian tak kha an rol ta ni hrui khan rola khan hrui rola kha an in uai ta nan te khan an mang thin ta ni chuan tlang an lon lai te khan an tlang lon dan chan chin borvel te kha heta hian an thil mo sang te kha heti hian hrui zen te hey tlang lon na chi sang hrui zen an mang tang kai na chu hey tlang lon te hi pakhat lo tlata se mo in kai ngai chan ngai se hrui zen in a in thun zom tat zela chuan tlang lon mi te chuan hey puan in an kai thina puan in heti hian an kaya chunga hian sleeping bag a hian lum ti takin an mu thina ni hei sleeping bag chu he hetiang hi ani sleeping bag hi alum em maya tin hetiang ten po hi puan in a po hi a chuat ta te hian plastic an manga vot kharon tlang lo ani chuan tlan lo mi te chuan phehok zum deuh khan bun thina kan rianga phehok zum deuh khan bun thina chu phehok zum deuh bun thina ni hei phehok zum kha apiang sa ni ber ani top lowa phehok zum a phehok a khan hetiang hi bun thei ani ta heng hi phehok a khan heti hian an tron petani chu tlang lon mi te vura matlan lon te chuan an mang tang kai em ani up you go hei hi sang zakua som riat pali February azi anita heti hian we mountain camp an oma chuta chuan mi som ni 20 of us were teacher from Kendriya Vidya ani som ni kha chu zirtir tu Kendriya Vidya zirtir tu te kan ni a chuan nei sedang chu banks te institution zirna indang mi te khan ni a chuan ti khan an chan chin kha zia ka hei in chiaranga kena chung khan tu kha chu sing thau khan nuam lo hle maya brigadier kha an director kha ron tala chu chuan atak sana pokha engma enga mangai lo khan ena tinge choi e ve don lo mi e lo chuan pum ruakin trekking mo ram noi te chuak don dia atia chuan ti khan hu phur deuh mai kan a chuak ve ta ni chu chuan lui an kan na lui kan na chung chang te je ka lui kan kana sui pakhat avakal kaya chu chuan ram noi thui do kan kal nuwa sui pakhat thi keng hian pakhat avakal kaya chuan chuta chuan akal ma saber tur khan min ti le se nu khan sui vuan chung khan tu ka dai phe avot em ya ma sela ka thei top ka chu sui vuan ka va thleng phei ta ka thleng phei ta nu chuan kha har sat na ka to kha har sa ma sela har sat na ka ne kha ka lo me midang ron kal te kha ka fui phura alo fui thei tu khan ka tang ta ni kha har sat na lian tak mai ka ne kha hu phur deuh chunga ka thil ti kan ti hlot ling kha ka ta na tha mai ni ati ni lui kan dana hian hei hetiang hian sui mangin lui hi heti hian an kham kai chuta chuan sui mangin heti hian an kal kai thina ma se an ni hi chuan a dai nan dai kai ni hei hi sui mangan kal kai dana hi kan ron da lang ve shim ani chuan rock climbing nan tia hetiang a hian rock climbing a hian tinge hrui khan in pot chho thin ani chuta chuan on dewa kal lo tur ani ngil takin om tur ani hei heta po ataksa hi ngil takin ata a hi heta po hian taksa hi lunga heti hian ngil takin ding chuwa kal anga kal tur ani 90 degree in taksa om tur ani hnung zang hi akun tur ani lo an ti ani chuan an thian ho zing a hian hei khong ai te kha om ve a an thian ho zing a chuan khong ai kha tum kha chu aril tra me feeling hungry ei tur kan nei si lowa huan pakhata hian a zuang lut top mai chuta chuan fangma lian pui te kha a zuk lowa a ron chuak le nga lama se a nei tunu khan min ron hawa atia khong ai hian mizo tong ba ka thiam si lo hindi ba ka thiam si lowa ani za thak mai ni ati ni chuan zana te an bowa khami trekking a an kal chuana khan tlang lon an kal chuana khan zana te an bowa ni kang thu vel kha soya chuan an kema khan vur kha tam vur tlang ramat kalan ni vai mun sang ni vai metar sang ni za som thum pali lai sa khan an kala chuta chuan a san awang khan avota avo wang khan vur kha tam mai ni chu zana puan in an kaya hetiang hian chuan an puan in kaya khan an bu a zan khat chu ron ri thut maya vur tol kha lo ni a chuan min ron chila min ron lai chuaka min ron chan chuaka ti vel te kha soe ni chuan a chan chin tlang puya soya chuan tikan har sat na tlang rama an oma tlanga an lona an har sat na to sang te kha soe ni chu hemi zo hian a nu zela kan en chho don ni hemi an kem lai hian bachen ripal hian aro min ron tlo a tia bachen ripal min ron tlo kan kem na hian atia bachen ripal chu tuge ni kan sei don ani hei hi kan siarang hei hi in July bua page number 78 na khani a 12-year-old girl living in the mountains was out on a school picnic. She climbed a mountain peak of 400 meters with her friends. The girls had done this for fun and adventure. Soon it was dark and they could not come down. It was also cold and scary. They were alone without any food and it was a long night. This happened to Batchandripal, played when she was a young girl. Kumso pani mi no pang mi no pang chu Chhiahtlang an picnic na tlanga an lo han lona metar sang li lai Mount Everest zat be bor vel lai sang ni chu sta chu nan lo han lona mà sẽ khua khá là tìm nan ta bây si an chụp lệ man si lâu à dàn khao vota là ông em box si à chọn tel box si lâu in ti lum na tel box si lâu khan an omani chumi mei cheno pang chu Bachendri pal chu ni ta ni Bachendri grew up in Nakuri village in Garhwal area of Uttarakhand. When she grew older, she joined Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkasi. Her guide was Brigadier Jian Singh. Bachendri did very well in her training. She started to train women in mountaineering course. In 1984, Bachendri was selected as a team member to climb the Mount Everest. Bachendri to Nakuri village, Uttarakhand, Garhwal area Changalo Piangani Achuan Alaulian Zela, Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Tlanglon Zirna, Skula Khan Luta, Chuan, as a tier to Brigadier Jian Singh Ania, Chuan, at zirlaite Chhiahtlang of Vansang as a course of Riat Palia, Mount Everest Langalon to win and Tlangani snowstorm. There were 7 women in that 18-member team. On the night of 15 May, the team was very tired after having reached the height of 7,300 meters. The team put up their tent and went to sleep. Around midnight, they heard a loud sound and then a bang. Before they were fully awake, the tent flew off and something very heavy hit them. There was a terrible snowstorm. Bachendri was almost buried under the snow and was hurt on the head. Many of the team members were also injured. The others used snow picks and axe to dig out those who had been buried under the snow. Meichia sompariat or team members sompariat pasari ka meichian niya. Many sompanga zana khan metar sang sari zathum lai sanga khan riabu kan suala puanin an kaya ne. Chuan an mua an mutui lai takin zan lai chuan thil rum bai hin fria. Ari rup mai ni anan har chuan an puan in te chu lo in lip se a vur min te khan lo dera vur tol khan lo nol ani Bachendri po chu vur khan alo vur pil deuh thoa chuan team member engmaw khan in hliama chuan snow peaks nge vuram shrei te khan an lai chuak ani katiangai the rest of the team members returned to the base camp, but Bachendri went ahead, climbing slowly but steadily towards the peak. It was 7 minutes past 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 23rd May, when Bachendri Pal stepped onto the peak of 8,900-meter high Mount Everest. Is also called Sagarmatha in Nepal. Chuan team member dang zongkha base camp lama khan an le thale ta Bachendri chu akal enge atlang lon zinga khan atel vele tani chuan mei ni somni patum sang zakwa somret pali chunudar khatle minute saria chuan Bachendri pal chuan kovel tlang sang Mount Everest metar sang le zakwa sang chu alon chuak ta a chu Nepal ho chuan Sagarmatha tin an soini Mount Everest kha. There was another team member with her. There was no spare for 2 people to stand. It's a chair with all of them. Chuan meiche pakhat ne dan ni a chuan atlang mora khan patni a arwala tina har sa wangin hu mang te khanin koi pena ti khanan englo ta ti kham khatlang vot taka khan khur lok chuin vot ti wang khur chung si le an hlo tin na wanga hlim lom tak chung khanan oma chuan Indian National Flag te kha an pot para tha ten la kha tlang chovel tlang sang bera khan minute somli pathum lai an omani. Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman and the 5th woman in the world to reach the peak of Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal hi India meiche zinga chuan Mount Everest lom chok ma sabera ni a chuan kovel meichia apanga na ani sang kha zakwa somriat pali me ni somni pathuma an lon chuak ani chu chuan mizo pon Mount Everest lang lon chuak kan nei to a chu inu te no zo do ne in pa te in lo zo do na ni chuan note hi pathum ka pe don chewa chu heng hi in lo copy don ani. Who was the first Indian woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest? Tunge Mount Everest India Meisia Klengma saber ka tina me. The first Indian woman to reach the peak of Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal on 23rd May 1984. Ka answer ani. Question number 2 at 1. What is the height of Mount Everest and is it called in Nepal? Mount Everest san zong ka ingsa nge ni Nepal in engtin nge an ko. Peak of Mount Everest is 8,900-meter height. It is also called Sagarmatha in Nepal. Sagarmatha in Nepal ho chuan ni meter sangriat zakwa sang ni km riat borvel sang ni he an lon so khi lai hi tlang pang tlang chu ni chuan a hla tangalan na chuan a hla tangalan da na chuan hei hi ni bele thunga ging trok lu mai ni hei hi ani bele thunga ni chuan question pathum na chuan which food items are used to keep the body warm in the cold? Egten nge khufota taksa luma min ti chak the tlangon te khan nge an man trin di ka kan endoni. Vitamin C, iron tablet and hot chocolate milk were the food they ate. These will given for the strength and to keep the body warm in the cold. Vitamin C te iron mum te chuan hot chocolate milk chocolate tui mom katiang kha chocolate milk kha an eiten a chung this one they will given for strength chakna pek ba ka to keep the body warm in the cold khofata po atilum thina ni khang heng not pathum hi 1 2 1 2 3 heng not hi in lo copy anga chuan video hi ngun deuh ni ngai thabo don bok ani